Good morning, you unzoomed people. Zoom in a bit. You can see my ugly mug a little bit more. Whey! How are you all doing this morning? I'm a little bit dribbly. I had a bit of a root canal yesterday, so I'm in a little bit of pain, but I will try and crack on as best as I can. No need to get the violin out quite yet. If you guys could do me a massive favour, if you're watching this and you're not a subscriber, please could you do a subscribe? I'm trying to get to 200,000 before 2020, so yeah, if you guys could kindly subscribe, really appreciate it. I'm on my way to Billy's again this morning just to catch up on the Sora, what he's done so far on the roll cage. He sent me a few pictures yesterday and he'd done quite a few bits already, so I'm pretty stoked to see what he's done. All the new sexual chrome gold decals turned up for the patrons, so I'll get those packaged when I get back from Billy tonight and get them sent out to all you lovelies tomorrow. I is about 10 minutes from Billy's, so I'll see you lovelies down there in a sec. Nom 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 nom. I have arrived at good old HDF. I can hear Billy's hard at work. Let's go and check him out. Ooh. Right, let's have a quick little look at what Billy has been up to thus far. How difficult has it been?
Quite an awkward shape.
Yeah. Is that because it's like a sort of long two-door coupe?
Yeah, that and obviously working around the sunroof.
Yeah.
Which is about 3.5 inches thick.
They don't sort of mess around to it. Everything's done with a lot of. It's very robust.
It also comes with an extra skin on the rear tub, which had to be drilled out.
Ah, yeah.
To get something to sit that on properly.
It's all really tight to the body, isn't it?
Yeah.
Look at that, man. That's crazy. And up here as well, because that's quite an awkward sort of angle and shape, isn't it? This is pretty much the mass that Billy has used to work out all the sort of different angles and lengths for the cage. This is actually for the front legs, and this is for the main hoop. Were you saying, Billy, the other parts are sort of relatively straight and don't require so much sort of mass?
Yeah, the other bent tubes are sort of figure it out in the car,
yeah.
And the straight ones obviously don't require mass because they're not bent.
But these are all the base plates you've made, aren't they?
Yeah.
And what are we thinking on the back? Are we going to do an X brace at the back or just a one rear diagonal?
One rear diagonal and then a harness bar at the bottom.
These are quite tight angles, aren't they? Do you have to do some sort of acrobatics when you're welding?
So what you do is, with what's here at the minute, is get it all in place, tack it in, take the measurements you need, make sure it's all symmetrical.
Yeah.
Weld the undersides, the accessible bits, and then you basically have to squeeze all the tubes in to drop this down to get proper welds over the top of the cage as well. So it's not too awkward, this bit.
Yeah.
The most difficult bit is getting it back into place.
And obviously you've had to take the windscreen out as well.
Yes.
Which was a bit of a pain.
Yeah, my windscreen guy did not enjoy it.
It's over there. It got out pretty well, to be fair. There's a little crack in it. When Billy had the windscreen taken out, there's a little bit of sort of surface rust on here. So before we put a new windscreen in, after it's been painted, we will need to treat this. So that's everything so far. What are you going to be cracking on with today?
I am going to weld in the base plates, weld what is into the base plates, and then get the rear section sorted out. I'm going to start filming Billy now. He's going to crack on with some work. Job done. Billy's just putting a new tip and shroud on, so they sort of wear out over time. Yeah. Once the tip gets a bit used, the wire doesn't come out so smoothly.
Feed through properly.
Yeah.
Billy's now finished welding all the base plates, which you can see here. That's that one. Got that one there. You've got that one down there, and then that one in the corner.
Now I'm going to crack on with the rear section, get that in place, make sure that the tubes are in the middle of these plates before I weld the plates in.
Billy's just starting to form the rear section now. You'll see that he actually tack welds all the parts into position. What's the point of a tack weld? Just so if you fuck it up, you can kind of redo it if you need to?
Yeah,
or?
it's just if it's in the wrong place, it can be taken out and moved. Harness bar, diagonal.
Cool. A lot of you have been mentioning in the comment sections about harness safety. So as you can see, Billy's actually putting a proper harness bar rather than trying to attach the harnesses to the bottom of the floor, because you need to get that correct angle, but very important. The roll cage tubing used, is that just sort of conventional regular steel?
No, so this is CDS, which stands for cold drawn seamless. Hence the name, it has no seam in it, whereas other tubes will have a welded seam from the manufacturing, which can be a failure point, which is obviously unacceptable for a roll cage.
Okay, Jack. Now Billy's just going to try and line the harness bar up with the swage lines on the car. Obviously, if you use a level, it will tell you the bar's level, but it doesn't guarantee the car's actually on a flat level surface. So by doing it by eye, he can pretty much guarantee it's dead straight. This is some of the CDS steel that Billy uses for his roll cages. So if you look down here, you'll see that it's got no seam. If I turn it all the way around. It certainly keeps you flexible, this job.
Yeah, flexible fit.
Once you've done that, it's pretty much the rear section complete, isn't it?
Yeah, it's just sort of door bars and gussets once that's done.
All the sexy bits.
Yeah.
Nom nom. Billy's now finished welding all the rear plates, which you can see here. Oh, quick look on the other side. Super neat. Obviously this cage has been designed using mathematics, so it's structurally perfect. There's no sort of trial and error with our safety. Next up, Billy's going to be making the double door bars. He's going to do a quick little art attack to show you what they're going to look like.
Call that the main hoop, call that the front leg, so then it will come down at an angle, level across, an angle back up, and then that one will meet like that.
Nice, man.
Yeah.
Thank you. There we go. One used, never raced or rallied Sora speaker. I take it the door bars don't require quite as much mathematics as the.
No, it's just more writing down the method to, especially for this style. I've got to make 4 of the same bar, so it means that they're all going to be the same and right.
It looks a little bit ominous, Billy. I'm not going to say anything, but we'll let the audience decide. What are you doing, man?
Cream in the shoes.
Put us in your shaft.
That is moment of truth.
Oh, good.
Oh, good. Probably come out a little bit.
Billy's now just marking up a couple of points. That's actually where the door bar, or the top door bar, is going to affix to the bottom one. Right, the door bars are all tacked in place. Looking very good. I am pretty happy with that. Are you happy with that?
I am happy with that.
Cool. Well, if you're happy, I'm happy. That is one door bar looking pretty complete. Nice one, man. Looks lovely. Quick little close up of Billy's welding. Super, super lovely. That's pretty much all we're going to film today. Obviously, Billy's still got to do the other door bar in a little bit. And then tomorrow we're going to be doing the gussets down the A-pillars, which should look pretty sick. I'm now going to crack on and go home and start packaging up all the patron decals. So I'll bid the boys farewell.